I'm just gonna be Vindicator. We're gonna overheat on this Vindicator.
And this station.
You sure?
Yes, return.
Okay, laying right in this Meganavian, give it fucking dick.
I'm walking through reflections just to catch your smile. Walking barefoot on these silver tiles. The sun shines a different shade today, but the falling leaves turn my thoughts to gray. And the wind blows, oh the winter wind blows my name. Oh the winter wind blows my name. I'm watching the sunrise through this hollow picture. The bells ringing softly make me shiver. The sea reflects a darker shade today. The falling leaves wash my fears away. And the wind blows, the winter wind calls my name. The winter wind calls my name.
Nice, thanks, faggots. Welcome.
He is the original Darvaldan. 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 He is the original Darvaldan.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Buckler. Find your head, drop it. Find your head, drop it. Bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Stays a bust another shot, bust another shot. Go!
is the original Don of all Don.
Yeah, Pouncer, you need to just be careful of
Yeah,
the auger is repping Pouncer. Look, it's repping.
What? Seriously?
Andrew's repping him.
I got the other auger appointed. Spread points, guys.
Yes, I got the arbitrator, so I might get the omen.
I'll get the omen. Point on omen. Almost. Okay, yeah. Point on omen.
Point on Tristan.
Weapon arbitrator.
Arbitrator's already dead.
Is anybody dying?
Scram and web on Tristan. Lost scram.
Hilarious.
Oh my god, any of them survived?
If you ratchet and you know it, clap your ass. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your ass. If you ratchet and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your ass. Clap your
Doing combat anomalies the way we're doing them actually doesn't make for too bad a stream, I guess. Oh shit, I forgot to reload my guns.
I always reload them after combat. The ammo that I'm using are the antimatter charges.
Yeah, we can see that when you link your build. Launch drones.
Lock on targets.
Half your shield gone in one hit. My drones did the same to the other one. Goodbye. Inventory. shoot that.
See, my ship's now wrecking them.
If you say so. It's because you're actually shooting them while they're in range now.
Okay, now he's just missing, really? See, my optimal range is 1,150 meters.
Starting out PvE Brutix.
Whoa, who's this,
like this
guy?
We need to leave now. Just leave.
Shit.
Shit.
Prevent to warp. Kill them?
I think I'm gonna be potted.
Are you under attack as well, honey?
Yes. 5.
Get ready to warp somewhere, then.
I can't. They used an anti-warp. I have to
Yeah,
shoot 'em.
no, warp when you fucking get destroyed, if you get destroyed. Alright, turn this off.
Shit.
Ain't no way in hell I'm getting a warp out of here.
Dude, holy shit.
Yeah.
How'd they find us?
They've had people scouting the area more than likely, because we're at war with this corp. They're the ones we're at war with.
Shit. Could we kill them or no? Or are they way too strong?
Way too strong. I'm about to run out of core.
Jesus Christ.
My shields are gone. Now I'm taking hull damage, or armor damage. I'm trying to kill the guy whose status is fucking warp scrambling me.
Yeah, we need to get rid of these guys.
Oh, there goes my armor.
Huck Bill, Huck Bill, Huck Bill. Where's the police? Shouldn't they be helping us?
No.
Fuck. Isn't my class supposed to what is it, anti-warp scrambler?
I'm out. I died, but I'm out. Like I got out in my pod.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, hello, people. Ciao, people. Right. Aggression. Jump over here. They probably have people at every gate.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, they do. Ciao.
I lost my best ship too.